They will help you develop your code incrementally and interactively. For starters, the interactive read-eval print loop, which is a feature available in Lisp, lets you continually interact with your program as you develop it. Write a new function, test it, change it, try a different approach. You'll never have to stop for a lengthy compilation cycle. Other features that support a flowing interactive programming style are Lisp's dynamic typing and the common Lisp condition system. Because of the former, you spend less time convincing the compiler you should be allowed to run your code and more time actually running it and working on it, and the latter lets you develop even your error handling code interactively. Another consequence of being a programmable programming language is that Common Lisp, in addition to incorporating small changes that make particular programs easier to write, can easily adapt big new ideas about how programming languages should work. For instance, the original implementation of the Common Lisp object system, Common Lisp's powerful object system, was a library written in portable Common Lisp. This allowed Lisp programmers to gain actual experience with the facilities it provided before it was officially incorporated into the language. Whatever new paradigm comes down the pipe next, it's extremely likely that Common Lisp will be able to absorb it without requiring any changes to the whole language. Connection to artificial intelligence. Since its inception, Lisp was closely connected with the artificial intelligence research community, especially on PDP-10 systems. Lisp was used as the implementation of the programming language microplanner, which was used in the famous AI system SHRDW. In the 1970s, as the artificial intelligence research was spawned commercial offshoots, the performance of the existing Lisp systems became a growing issue. Advantages of Lisp. Common Lisp is a general-purpose programming language and an AI language. Another big advantage is that Lisp is interactive. Common Lisp programs are easy to test, and also they are easy to maintain. They are portable across hardware, operating systems, platforms, and implementations. Common Lisp provides clear syntax, carefully designed semantics, several data types, numbers, strings, arrays, lists, characters, symbols, structures, streams, etc. It also provides runtime typing. That means the programmer need not bother about type declarations, but he gets notified on type violations. Another thing that Lisp provides is many generic functions. It provides 88 arithmetic functions for all kinds of numbers. Furthermore, it provides 44 search, filter, sort functions for lists, arrays, and strings. Automatic memory management. Packaging of programming programs into modules. An object system. Generic functions with powerful method combination. Macros. Every programmer can make his own language extensions. Now we'll take a look at C++, which is also used as a programming language in the nanorobot technology. The main reason to use C++ is due to the limited amount of resources available. As we have pointed out already, C++ is a low-level yet a popular programming language. The reason for C++ popularity is that just about every programming architecture gets a compiler targeted for it. This is good enough for a lot of programmers, as they don't have to put extra effort to do the same task using their languages. Furthermore, C++ is a systems level capable language that requires minimal runtime support. For example, they can run without an operating system and indeed are commonly used to implement operating systems for nanorobots. Also, the great deal of control and accessibility provided by C++ over the hardware gives it an edge over other programming languages.